Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some farmhouse style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse style home decoration is all about comfort, warmth, simplicity and rustic charm. It blends old-fashioned country elements with a clean, cozy, and welcoming feel. Here's a clear and beautiful guide to help you understand and use this style. Farmhouse decor is inspired by traditional rural homes. It uses natural materials, vintage pieces, and warm colors to create a lived-in, homely space. The style is simple, practical, and full of character. Nothing feels too fancy or modern. Here are the essential ingredients that make a home feel farmhouse inspired. Rustic wood. Use reclaimed wood, distressed wood, or lightly weathered finishes. Perfect for shelves, beams, furniture, or wall decor. Natural materials: linen, cotton, jute, rattan, corn, and burlap. Soft textures and warmth. Neutral, earthy colors: white, cream, beige, soft grey. Accents of black, brown, olive green, or muted blue. Use farmhouse fabrics: throw blankets, plaid patterns, cotton bedding, or jute rugs add softness and charm. Display everyday items. Farmhouse design celebrates simple objects. Ceramic mugs, oven baskets, breadboards, old jars. Mix vintage with modern. Pair an old wooden console with clean white walls or modern chairs for a balanced, fresh feel. Incorporate greenery. Use eucalyptus, olive branches, cotton stems, or wildflowers in simple vases. Use metal details: black iron hooks, galvanized buckets, lanterns, and white baskets create authentic country charm. Where to use farmhouse style? Living room: rustic coffee table, cozy throw blankets, farmhouse wall art. Kitchen: open shelves, mason jars, wooden cutting boards, white dishes. Bedroom: linen bedding, soft lighting, wooden headboard. Entryway: simple bench, woven baskets, vintage mirror. Use distressed or weathered wood. Add furniture or decor with a slightly worn look. Wooden stalls, trays, shelves, or side tables. That gentle edged texture brings instead farmhouse charm. Keep the color palette soft and neutral. Stick to whites, creams, beiges, soft grays, and warm browns. These colors make the space feel calm, open, and natural. naturally inviting. Add oven textures. Bring in materials like jute rugs, wicker baskets, can chairs, or rattan lamps. They add warmth and a homemade farmhouse feel. Decorate with everyday items. Display ceramic bowls, metal buckets, cutting boards, wooden spoons, mason jars, or enamelware. They make the space feel simple and lived in. Mix in black metal accents. Farmhouse style loves matte black iron, hooks, frames, cabinet handles, lamps, or curtain rods. Thanks for watching this video.